What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the KS Moto Cafe. Little short clip here. I'm just giving you guys a little heads up. I'm bringing my 2020 Sportster Iron 883 for a recall message that I got a couple weeks ago from Harley-Davidson. It's nothing serious, but it is affecting about, I think, 40,000 Sportsters out there, anywhere between 2018 and up model, I believe, from all models of Sportster from 883 to 1200 series. I think there are some other models that are affected if they use the same replacement parts, but the issue is the headlamp. I guess the casing itself, or the heat shield around the lamp, because it's not an LED, it overheats and then burns out faster than should have been. Obviously, it's not as dangerous as in the engine compartment or the brake compartment, but if you're riding on the thing and then it pops out, then yeah, that could be serious danger. So because of that, they decided to do a recall, and really it's about like 20-minute job, because all you have to do is just change a little part of your headlamp that Harley-Davidson is providing you for free, obviously. And when I was doing my research on the 883, I remember reading a lot of complaints of Sportster owners saying the lifetime of their headlamp was extremely short. And I don't know if you kept your receipts or if you just opted to get yourself an aftermarket, but yeah, I don't know if those are claimable in retrospect. If you have a Sportster that was made, let's even say 2016 and above, go to the Harley-Davidson website where you can input your VIN number and find out if yours is being recalled as well. Now, I was actually hoping that they'll replace it with an LED headlamp, but all they're doing is putting in some extra protective shielding so it doesn't burn out as fast. Oh well. Anyways, just wanted to get that message across. Hope you guys have a great day. So until next time, ride safe, ride prepared, ride on. Peace.